So we've seen the basic text formatting. There's also paragraph and character styles. Let me just bring my paragraphs. Ooh, will that come separate? No, it won't. These Air applications, I've got strange limitations. But if I highlight that, make it bigger, give an alternative font. I know we shouldn't be mixing these fonts so much, but just for the sake of trying. Give that another colour. So if I want to replicate that style, I can put my cursor into it, make a new style. Let's go give that a name. And presumably I can apply that elsewhere. Yep, so, oops, I managed to apply that to a space there. That all seems fair enough, seems just like we would expect. If I try to edit the style, well, I don't seem to have those options. Let's see if I edit the style. Then we can change the HTML markup which it outputs. That's a good thing. We'll talk about that a bit later. That's important. And can I change anything in here? No, the styles don't seem updatable or not immediately obvious how you'd update multiple instances of a style. Unless maybe if I changed a bit, changed the colour of one bit. No, I just get an override there, which of course I can alt-click to go and take back. Oh no, I couldn't. Oh, beta product, remember folks? There's some very strange behaviour there. So I just added some content to my home about contact pages. And I'm going to go and import some images to go and put into my staff page, and then I want to try and make them link to independent autobiographical pages. So I'm going to use my Control-D keyboard command. I'm going to go and find some pictures of some staff members. And I did that intuitively actually, but I do notice I can pick up all 4 of those at once, just like you can do in InDesign. That's a very sweet touch actually. There seems to be some amount of smart guides going on here, but it's hard to make things line up, that's for sure. I'll try and adjust that in a second. Let's bring down a guide first. Ooh, no guides now. I think that would really piss me off. Perhaps I'm missing something there, but that does seem to be no guides. Let's try it again. Yep, no guides. So can I make these all the same size as each other? I seem to be able to multiple select. That's good. I can move a whole bunch of things at once, so as would be expected. I can even duplicate a whole bunch of things at once, which is something. That's quite good. Can I change the image easily? No, but we've got all sorts of fitting options. Maybe I can go and change the picture easily here. No, it's not quite the seamless InDesign I like that I'd expect, especially the thing about not being able to seem to size up all these to the same dimensions. I'd like something to help me do that, either some something. Meanwhile, I'm going to attempt to make this a link to the Flora Mare staff page, and up here we've got a hyperlink option, so I'll just, there it is, look, Flora. Let's go and make another staff member there. So I've got 2 pages linking there. If I go back over to here, I've got their specific pages. Let's go and put an image of Flora in here. So these are very low quality pictures. I'm sure that Muse would deal better. I was starting with low quality GIFs in the first place. Let's go and put a column in here. Well, next I need some navigation. I've got to be able to see the pages in my site, and I had noticed already that under this object menu we have a insert menu, so I'm going to go and try and search a horizontal menu. And oh, there's a loaded cursor with it on. And if I click, oh yeah, it just puts it there. Strange the way it placed it, but there it is. I'm going to make sure that my header area includes it. And it seems to have links to top levels of everything. There's a small icon there for me to click on. And I can go and decide what level of pages I'm seeing. I can even just decide, I think, which items I see. I'd have to work out how to configure that, but that seems alright for the moment. Yeah, that all seems to make good sense. Let's come out of there. I assume that we can change colours and backgrounds, so let's go and change the type colour as well. Oh, that's not so intuitive, but let's leave it like that for a moment anyway. I'm going to go back to my plan. I can see the menus have been added. And now I want to go and see what this is going to look like in a web browser.